They're right here, the best coffee brewers of 2025. Today, we're diving into our top 3 slow method coffee brewers of the year. Whether you're brewing a single cup, big batch, or want full control over your coffee using high-tech features, there's something here for everybody. The Ratio 4 is a super cute by-the-cup coffee brewer that keeps your morning simple. Something that I really love about this brewer is that it is low profile and lightweight, meaning it can be moved around with ease and it can fit in most places. Now, let's talk about why the brew quality stands out. This machine has a wide shower screen for even water distribution and has a pre-programmed bloom cycle to extract flavor more evenly. This machine is perfect for anyone brewing one serving at a time. Its small size means it fits anywhere. Small kitchen, a dorm, in your office, it can go anywhere where you need coffee. This is one of the easiest brewers to reset for your next cup. Because the water tank is removable, it's easy to travel and bring back, and you're ready to go. The water tank can also be moved from one side to the other, really giving you flexibility for customization in your home setup. All around, the Ratio 4 truly is a fan favorite this year. Up next, we have the Breville Luxe Glass. This brewer is packed with a ton of features, which is why we picked it for best features this year. First off, the water tank is huge, just under 2 liters, so you can make giant batches of coffee without needing to refill. And speaking of refilling, the tank is now removable, making it a lot easier to refill, and cleaning it is a lot easier as well. Personally, I'm not a big fan of when coffee machines have fixed water tanks because you have to rely on chemical cleaners to get the cleaning done, and I never feel like it gets clean enough. But with this brewer, you don't have to worry about that. It now supports a water filter, which will keep your water tank and your brewer in good condition. There are a lot of great features on the Luxe, such as a delayed start feature, which can be set up to 24 hours, so you can prep your coffee the night before and wake up to freshly brewed coffee. While I haven't tried this feature myself, it does have a cold brew fast batch, which can make a pot of cold brew in as little as 30 minutes. Another really cool thing is that you can adjust your bloom time and set your brewing rate, which is really rare in brewers of this size. And when it comes to brewing, you can choose between a cone-shaped or flat bottom filter, giving you a lot of control when it comes to setting your grind size and recipe. Some notable technology upgrades include the screen itself. The old Precision Brewer used to have a blue screen, and it's been upgraded to black to give you a sharper contrast and clearer user experience. This is great because a really common complaint on the old brewer was that blue-gray combo was really difficult to read. By increasing contrast, it's a lot easier to read and understand. I would recommend this brewer to anybody who wants that classic coffee pot experience with workflow optimizations. And also, it's a great option for larger households that have multiple people drinking coffee. I don't think I'll ever get tired of the xBloom Studio. When this machine was announced, I was a little impatient for us to get this one in stock. What's cool about the xBloom is that it gives you full digital control over the entire brewing process. From grind size to recipe, temperature, pour pattern, this is truly a smart brewer. This is probably my favorite single cup brewer that we carry, if I'm being honest. The thing that I really love about this machine is that it's an all-in-one grinder, scale, brewer, all together in one unit. Technically speaking, this machine can be plumbed in if that's something you're interested in. And while I haven't plumbed the machine myself, I know it needs a low pressure line, so overall, just keep that in mind. The xBloom is for somebody that loves all of the details in the coffee routine. I really love pour over coffee, and I love this machine because it takes less time investment and mess while delivering the same quality of coffee. I personally really enjoy pour over coffee, which is why I love this machine. Without needing to get out my kettle and grinder, this machine streamlines that experience, producing the same quality of coffee with less time and less mess. While this machine can take 3 to 6 minutes per cup, you're pretty hands-off for that whole process. My favorite interaction with this machine is there was a day where I had a meeting at 6 a.m. and I woke up late and needed coffee. I was able at 5:50 to set up my coffee and press go, make my meeting on time, and then when it sent me a notification through the app, quickly muted my screen, went and grabbed my coffee, and came back without missing a beat. Fully caffeinated, ready to go. For me, the xBloom truly has all of the benefits and none of the setbacks. Our honorable mention is a surprisingly controversial machine. This is the fellow Aiden. There are some pretty cool features on this machine that I personally love, like fast, precise temperature control, letting you pull some really unique profiles. It also comes with 2 different basket sizes, so you can batch brew or single cup brew. And it also has cold brew capabilities. Now, some folks aren't a fan of the feel of this machine, and I do agree. The parts do feel lightweight and not quite up to the standard that I expect from their grinder like the Ode, which always feels really heavy and robust. And it has a really sharp aesthetic that doesn't blend with some folks' kitchens. That being said, I've had really good experiences with this brewer. I like the magnetic closure on this, our interactions with the screen are clear, and its deep recipe control is really awesome and can brew some very, very good coffee. I truly was surprised about the mixed reviews on the Aiden, so I'd love to hear what you think in your experience using this machine. All of the top picks on this list are newer products. If you want to be the first to know when new products drop, make sure you're signed up for our email newsletter.